Fixing holes or dents in drywall is easier than you think, and you can totally do it without calling in a pro if you know the right steps. So, first up, grab some drywall patches or mesh tape. These little things are lifesavers for covering holes. Stick the patch over the hole or dent, making sure it's flat and smooth. Next, slather on some joint compound over the patch, spreading it out nice and even so it blends with the wall. Let that dry completely. Patience here is key, or you'll end up with a mess. Once dry, get some sandpaper and gently smooth out the dried compound until the surface feels flush with the rest of the wall. Then, wipe off the dust with a damp cloth so your paint goes on clean. Choose a paint that matches your wall color. If you're not sure, take a chip to the store for matching. Finally, paint over the patched area in thin layers, letting each coat dry before adding another, so it looks seamless. One of the biggest mistakes people make when fixing drywall holes is rushing the drying time for the joint compound, which leads to cracks or uneven surfaces. Just give it enough time to dry fully to avoid this. Another common issue is not sanding enough or sanding too hard. Too little sanding leaves bumps, but too much can expose the patch underneath. Go slow and check your progress often. The third slip-up is using the wrong paint or skipping primer altogether. Primer helps the paint stick better and hides any differences in texture or color, so don't skip it if you want your patch to disappear. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle and stress. And for contractors, it's an awesome way to connect with people looking for their skills and get more work lined up.